Namaste to one and all present here. Myself, Srividya Balaji from Rashtrathana Vidya Kendra, Banashankari, studying in class 10th. Today, I am going to speak about role of youth in making India self-reliant. It is a known fact that youth always said to be the backbone of any country in terms of human capital. Youth should and can always play a pivotal role in making our great country Bharat self-reliant. This is the dream of our beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji too. The recent announcement of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, in essence to make our country self-reliant, aims at the same thing. Now it is up to the youth to take this up by letter and spirit and play an important role and stand rock solid with the dreams of our Prime Minister. Now the question remains, what role can the youth play to achieve this? Firstly, I would talk about skill-based learning. Apart from the curriculum-based learning, we should also look at and be willing to learn various skills which we are lacking now. Though it is easy to blame the faulty education system, we need to rise above these petty things and strive to learn various skills. Our itihasas like Ramayana and Mahabharata aims to convey these facts repeatedly. In the ancient days, kings and other normal subjects too were well versed in various arts such as political science, warfare, economics, music and other various arts. With the advent of Machiavellian education system, we forgot all these various forms of skill enhancements. Did not the mighty warrior Arjuna upgrade himself with the skills like dancing and singing that helped him during the exile period? Hence, the youth of this country should strive to learn and master various skills that would help in making them self-reliant and thereby making this country self-reliant too. It would open the gate for the youth to become successful entrepreneurs, thus saving the country vital resources from being imported from outside. Additionally, youth can push towards employing others and or impart their knowledge to a wider audience. Secondly, I would talk about upgradation of skills. Every youth should learn new skills if they want to keep themselves useful in this dynamic world. One problem with the youth is that once they reach a position, they become complacent and stop their learning or upgrading their skills. Finally, I would talk about division of work and team spirit. In any professional life, youth need to adjust and divide work. Ego in workspace is a bad thing and cultivation of patience is needed while in work and it definitely pays off. In short, the youth should concentrate on research and development of niche technologies and cultivate an entrepreneurship culture. Our country has missed a lot on third industrial revolution comprising of electronic goods, microprocessors, personal computers, mobiles, phone and decentralized manufacturing and global value chains during the last couple of years. Now, it is the time for the youth to actively participate in these areas, put in their heart and soul and develop a Make in India culture. Lastly, with the government of the day supporting and coming up with many schemes to help R&D as well as manufacturing and agricultural sector, the future of our country Bharat looks very bright. It will shine in the coming up years with the active participation of our country's stronghold, that is, its hardworking youth population, and make our country self-reliant. Jai Hind and wishing all my compatriots a happy Independence Day. Thank you.